Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting a grip that controls rotation without tension. Place fingers snug in the holes and align the balls pinned to your thumb for consistent axis tilt. This directly affects RPM potential. Begin with a relaxed, slightly cupped wrist and focus on a smooth forward swing rather than yanking. As you release, let your fingers rotate under the ball, not outward, to create revolutions. Once done, note finger pressure and minor adjustments to increase or decrease RPM. Now amplify RPM through deliberate repetition and tempo control. Start slow. Practice the finger roll motion without full approach to feel fingertip engagement. Once comfortable, add your normal approach rhythm and increase hand speed at release while keeping the arm swing steady. This separates hand action from body momentum and raises revolutions. Use video or an RPM app to measure changes and compare sessions. Make sure to record axis tilt and ball speed, because those two factors determine how RPM translates to hook shape. Finish each shot by following through toward your target and watching ball reaction. Your RPM is only useful if paired with proper axis tilt and speed. If the ball hooks too early or violently, reduce finger rotation or increase axis tilt to delay the break. Conversely, if the ball lacks shape, add fingertip pressure or practice faster finger snap to raise RPM. If things still go wrong, film release from behind and compare frames to isolate wrist, finger, or timing flaws for targeted correction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.